Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to impress your friends with, some nice riffs and runs to do on the file. So, but before we dive right in, please click on the subscribe button below and let's get right into it. So, on the key of C, you see that? So, it's not every time you just do or, or, so, but you do. You see how clean it is? Obviously, it's gonna take a little bit of time to get it on that, but it's very easy. You can get it even if you go at it for the next 10 minutes, I think you'll be good. So basically, we are doing is on the five, we are playing a F diminished seventh chord. And on with that seventh chord, we are accompanying it with so we are accompanying it with an F, not an F, a diminished scale, you know. But also one thing that goes into this is the fingering. Imagine this is your just imagine this is your one, your two, your three, your four, and your five. So now we are not going to be using this five, this the pinky. We are not going to be using it at all. What we are going to be using is this as the leading note, and then this will be so. Just imagine we are crossing it this way. Look at it. We are starting the the note from so para. So we are slurring from the E flat. You see, or we can even I think you need to start like this. So let's do something like this. So so the fingering is so basically you've got your 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and there you go again. You see this the swift the change. It's so increase it. Make sure each note of that diminished scale, and a diminished scale is like an auto note or auto tone movement. They have a diminished scale is it creates tension, and we want to resolve back to which is your major chord. So diminished chords, diminished movements, diminished scales, they actually act as tension, and a good music has what we call tension and release. Tension and release. So you've got this, and then it resolves. So let's apply this riff. This. So you've got your E flat, your D, your C, your B, A flat, F sharp, F, and you just repeat the same thing over different octaves. So so if you have like a 7 octave keyboard, so let's apply it. Mm. Woo. So let's use this song. You are Yahweh. Hey, you are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. Hey, you are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. Alpha, Omega. You are Yahweh. And now we're going to do Alpha, Omega. You are Yahweh. Hey, you are Yahweh. Are you hearing? You are Yahweh. Hey. You are Yahweh, Alpha, Omega. You are Yahweh, Alpha. So you do that. So basically, it is that movement. The and when you do this, you practice it slowly. You practice it what? Slowly. Remember the movement is slow on the key of C. If you like the content, don't forget to click the subscribe button below and also click on the notification bell to get notified. See you in the next class.